Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through an easy step-by-step guide on how to trade option on Schwab mobile app. And here's a simple workaround on how you can easily trade option on Schwab mobile app. So open the Schwab mobile app and log in into your account. Then from there, tap the trade tab at the bottom of the screen. Then select options as your trade type. Then enter the stock symbol you want to trade option for. Then choose your strategy, which is a single leg or a spread. Then after that, select the expiration date, the strike price, and the option type, which is to call or to put. Then after that, enter the quantity of contract and your order type, which is your market, the limit. And once that is done, review the order summary carefully. Then tap place order to submit your option trade. You will get a confirmation once the order is placed or filled, and that's it. Make sure your account is approved for option trading before placing any trade, and that's how you can easily trade option on Charles Schwab mobile app. Hope you find the video a little bit helpful. If you did, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more.